PicsArt tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background today we are going to use. The first step, I have to go to add photo and select the model image directly. Friends, this is the model image we are going to use. First step, go to cutout tool, tap on brush, increase the hardness and draw on the model image like this. Only on the model image, okay, like this. Now tap on tick. After erasing background, simply stretch it like this. You have to arrange in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on opacity and decrease the opacity to around 25. Perfect. Zoom out little bit and arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. You have to erase these unwanted portions. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to layers, tap on duplicate, zoom out, tap on opacity, decrease the opacity, tap on eraser, tap on restore and draw full portions like this. Now tap on tick, decrease the size and arrange it like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size to 50, opacity to 25, hardness to 10 and draw on the bottom portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to adjust, tap on temperature, increase the temperature to around 80. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the crown PNG. Friends, keep this PNG aside, tap on crown and arrange this crown PNG perfectly on the head like this, or you can decrease a little size like this. Perfect. Now take this light PNG and arrange perfectly like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase. You have to erase these inside portions like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick, tap on layers, tap on duplicate and you have to arrange it like this and repeat the same procedure. Tap on eraser, tap on erase, erase these inside portions. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG. Since this is the light PNG, stretch out. Now go to blend, make it screen and you have to arrange it perfectly in the center here like this. Perfect. Now tap on opacity, keep this opacity to around 80. Perfect. Now tap on it. Next step, save this image in PicsArt and take this image to Snapseed app. Open Snapseed app, tap on plus. First step, tap on pencil, go to text, write the model name. Now tap on colors and you can select orange color. Now you have to decrease the size. Tap on layers, tap on sixth font and decrease the size like this. Now tap on fonts and select the first font and you can arrange here like this. Now tap on opacity, decrease the opacity and you can arrange perfectly in the center. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to pencil, go to details, keep the details around 30. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil, tap on selective, increase the saturation, decrease little brightness and give little contrast. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil, tap on vignette and decrease the borders like this. Now tap on it. Next step, go to pencil, go to tune image, decrease a little brightness, give little contrast, saturation little bit, give little ambience, decrease little highlights, give little shadow, give little warmth. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and the after image. Tap on save.